Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ANDI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like you this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its lows and then where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person would say, yeah, the bulls definitely made a very nice bounce on the day. But this does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this bounce? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this level right here at 0.012. Why is 0.012 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to make progress in the upwards direction. Or in other words, the price is going to keep on bouncing. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's going to keep on bouncing. Or in other words, it's not going to go back to where it was because that would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 0.012. Any sort of closes below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside of that, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back into this range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with these lows. And again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back a little bit, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation here? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you picture each of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. It's going to, quote unquote, keep on bouncing. And in this situation, I'm quantifying the keep on bouncing point as 0.012 because if the price stays above there, that's got itself a nice little stair step, and that's how things are, all built. All reversals got to start somewhere, and all reversals do start out as bounces. But step one in all that is just making sure that the thing's actually a true bounce. And again, a true bounce is going to show progress, and progress being defined as 0.012. What about areas of resistance? Initial area right here at 0.0145. You can see the price got right up around that area several times today. Couldn't quite push through it. If the price can, turn around and then get up through there, next key level to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line right there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. So no doubt about it, very nice bounce today on the bulls' part. Now it's just a question of can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.